Hey everyone, welcome back to Genie. Today we're addressing an issue with WhatsApp where photos are getting saved twice in the iPhone gallery. Let's dive into how to fix it. Step 1. Update WhatsApp. First things first, head over to your App Store and search for WhatsApp. Look for any available updates for the app. WhatsApp often releases updates to fix bugs and glitches, and this issue might be one of them. Step 2. Download the update. Once you find the update, go ahead and download it to your iPhone. This should only take a few moments. Step 3. Test it out. After updating WhatsApp, open the app and try downloading or saving a photo again. This time, check if the photo is only saved once in your iPhone gallery. Step 4. Enjoy the fix, voila. With the WhatsApp update installed, your photos should now be saved correctly, without any duplicates cluttering up your gallery. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips, tricks, and solutions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.